We're now presented with our zone menu. On the left-hand side, we can select the zone we wish to control. On the right, we can see the selected zone scene buttons. Here on the left-hand side, we can see the fade time, the edit key, the colour wheel key, and the record arm. To record scenes in a particular zone, we first need to arm the artPlay by pressing the record arm button. Once armed, we can record incoming ArtNet from a console or controller, or use the edit page to edit our channel levels. Clicking in a fader provides coarse level control over our channels. We can also drag the fader up and down to vary the level. If we need fine control, we can use the level increment and decrement buttons. To change the channel range, use the range increment and decrement buttons, providing us with edit over a much wider range of channels. When we're finished setting our levels, press the back key, then double tap the scene button we wish to record. This process can be repeated, editing our levels with coarse adjustment or fine adjustment, pressing the back key, and then double tapping the scene button. Once we've completed recording our scenes, we can unarm the artPlay screen. Pressing a scene button recalls the levels over the given fade time. We can see those levels change in real time if we select the edit key. We can also use the colour wheel to edit our output. We can increase or decrease the intensity of a block of RGB channels, or drag our finger around the colour wheel to select a particular colour. Once we've finished making our edit, we can press the back key. If we wanted to commit that change to memory, we can press the record arm and record an additional scene. The colour wheel can also be used for live adjustment rather than recording. Dragging our finger to the desired colour and pressing the back key. We can now configure our display, naming our zones and scenes.